Hi guys, thanks for watching my channel again, Interior Design with Ray. So today I'm going to show you one apartment in Shenton Way that I'm going to commence work today. It's a 1-bedroom apartment. Okay, so I'm going to show you the before I commence anything. So and roughly explain to you what are the things that I'm going to do. Okay, so let's take a look now. Okay, so over here this is the main entrance. So once you walk in, right, there's a wall here. The intercom is over there, and this is the DB cabinet, right, where all the DB box is here. Okay, just open shelving at the bottom, nothing on top. So over here, right, since it's a 1-bedroom apartment, right, so this is the entrance to the bedroom or the master bedroom. So this is the existing built-in TV feature wall with a TV console. So this will be torn down, right? So my design proposal would be to do a feature wall here all the way until it conceals the bedroom door all the way. Some shoe storage cabinet here, right, and also to conceal the DB cabinet. Okay, so at this plain wall, I'm going to overlay big format wall tiles, okay, with LED strip somewhere on the left side. This is the existing kitchen cabinet. So at this moment, there's no intention to remove anything, but right, I might change the door because it has discolored. It's a bit yellowish right now. Okay, and this is like it's quite a common way of doing. There is a peninsula counter here. So my client wants to be able to sit some putting some bar stool or what here. So I'm going to add a tabletop here, okay, just to extend out a little bit more, right, for some legroom space. And I'm also going to build a feature wall here, or a feature, just to have a bit more design, right. So this is going to be a oriental strand board painted in black. Okay, so if you don't know what is oriental strand board, right, I will just attach a picture somewhere here. Okay, so the ceiling is quite high, it's about 3 meters. I'm going to keep the existing ceiling, right, with a slight drop down for some concealed track lighting. The false ceiling here, there is an indentation on the ceiling itself. So I'm going to level it, okay, because I find this is quite odd, right? There's an indentation here, right? It's not flush with the kitchen false ceiling. Okay, let's come into the bedroom. Okay, so nice view. This is Marina South Pier. Very nice view, very open, fantastic view. I think that is Sentosa Cove. Okay, so over here is good enough to put a queen size bed, right? Same tall ceiling. Okay, and this bay window is settee is going to be removed. So also the 2 side table. Okay, over here is the existing built-in wardrobe. Okay, it's a bi-folding door. If you see like that, it's a bi-folding door, which is, I'm not sure, doesn't work very well. So I'm gonna tear out this wardrobe, including this partition wall. Okay, so it's going to be an open concept wardrobe. For this owner, or for my client, he has a few bags to display. So this part here is going to be the display cabinet for his bags and watches. Right. The door here will also be changed, including the door frame, all will be removed. So the feature wall outside here, okay, will actually flush in and continue with the full height display cabinet over here. So one thing I want to show you guys is actually this LED strip light. Right, is in a casing. So what I've done is to overlay this wall tiles onto the wall. It's a big format tiles, 1.2 meter by 0.6 meter. So this is one piece, and this is like almost half a piece. So in between these two sides, we'll have a LED strip light coming down from the ceiling all the way down to the floor. So this is the wire for the LED strip. The driver is going to be hidden inside this cabinet here. Even the intercom has been removed so as to install at the side of this shoe cabinet. Okay, so how this works is, this is the flange for the wing. Okay, so it's inserted at the side of this track light. There's some grooves at the sides, so you just insert all the way. Okay. Right, just insert all the way. So I'll put a link down below for the installation video so that you can watch how the whole installation process is.